Hey saxophones, this is the tutorial for half scale number 1, which is concert B flat, your G scale. So let's take a look. The first note here is G. That's likely the first note that you ever learn, and it's simply 1, 2, and 3. But we're going to go ahead and look at that on the fingering chart just so we can kind of find where it is. Here's that G. See, the picture matches exactly, and it's going to be the first 3 fingers pressed down. The second note is A, and as we go on the fingering chart, the way it works is it kind of reads like a book, like it goes across and then it goes down. And as we're going down the page, we're going up the staff and up in sound. So the A is right here. You can see that picture matching, and it's just 2 fingers down. Okay. The third note is B. It's on the third line up, every good boy. Okay. We look over here to find that picture. This looks similar, but it's got a little marking in front of it. That's going to be a different note. We're looking for this one. Now, in this one, there are 2 fingerings listed. Whenever there's 2, we usually you pick the first fingering, the one that's to the left. So that's going to be our first finger on B. This next note is C, like face space, F-A-C. Okay, and we're going to look over and find this C right next to the B, and that is the second finger. Okay, and then critical spot right here, we go to D. Every good boy does on the 4th line. We look over here and find our D, pick the first fingering. We have octave key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now that's critical to know because that's when we need to engage our thumb in the back. We need to add our thumb to the fingering. And every note from D on up the staff is going to use that octave key in some kind of way. So we're going to play the scale in half notes just as it's written. And then we're going to come back through and play these circled notes, which are called the arpeggio notes. They make up the arpeggio. So in this case, it's going to be G, B, press our octave key down for D, come back to B, and then back to G. Okay, so let's play the half scale. 1, 2. Okay, now to change that to the pass-off version, because that's kind of the introduction version, best way to start that scale. But we're going to turn to the other side of the page. So you can just flip over and, oh, go to it. There we go. All right, and we've got the scale again. It's exactly the same notes, okay? G, A, B, C, and D, and coming back down. The arpeggio is still in half notes. The thing that changed is the rhythm, right? We're going a little bit faster on the first part of the scale, on the scale part right at the beginning. All right, let's play this. 1, 2.